Hi, introducing my name Muhammad Hilman Maulana Syaputra. People call me Hilman. I am a student who is currently in the third semester of studying the English language education program. Besides being a college student, after college I became a teacher for my students. It was one of the big challenges that was enjoyable for my journey. After returning from teaching, I don't forget to take the time to study myself, even though sometimes not every day. Other than from being a college student and IT teachers, I plunged into the business world that I assembled from a small, namely as an exporter of ornamental plants like philodendron, anthurium, and alocasia. I used the Go International Marketplace platform and even needed consistency in the field of exporting. Especially the world of export is very complex. It was a challenge for me to face it. Who falls, he loses. It is a slogan in my mind. I always put forward confidence behind a lot of a reason for individuality. Being born into a family with a trade background didn't discourage me from becoming a competent teacher and having me biggest plans later, especially being a formal teacher. Because as a formal teacher later, I'm good to the best. I must grow my academic integrity. Talking about being a teacher in the current era, a teacher must be able to synchronize the science development with the times. The shoulders of becoming a teacher are currently harder. The gadget greatly influences the characteristic style of student nowadays. A teacher must be able to do various ways in summarizing, explaining a difficult subject matters in a direction that is easy for students to, especially know all technologies. Therefore, teachers must also be skilled in using modern technological windows for their students. And last but not least, modeling appropriate behaviors. I am very confident with my abilities and the experience I have met. I can get through it all. I hope that when I graduate, I will become a competent and skilled teacher in accordance with what I want. Behind all these efforts, which are relevant to my major in English education, is one of the reasons I took this program, which is indispensable in mastering English skill. To establish an effective communication with native speakers in my business, I must run a business that can expand into the international market, so that what I build from now on is not wasted. Even if in the future I fail because I stand by my own principles, at least I failed because of my own choices. I didn't fail because I followed other people. I have tried my best. I have learned as deep as I experience. Soon, I plan to list products in my export marketplace. With strong confidence and hard work, I can market original brushcraft made by local people that have high selling value in the international world. Market analysis and store management are the minor requirements in running a business. With marketing targets to various countries such as America, Great Britain, Canada, Thailand, India, and to other developed countries. I continue to think of various ways of various kinds of research strategies that are relevant to the needs of the current market. I still need a lot of learning and evaluation from big people who have succeeded in running this very complex export business. Automatically, I must rack my brains or even reread the books twice more in this field. I am ambitious in what suits the lifestyle in me. I am a commitment, determined that someday what I design now can be realized in the right way. I once accidentally read a passage on my personal TikToks page that said, "One day you will find all the answer, but for now, Focus on enjoying the present, trusting in your choices, and believing in yourself. You are what you are supposed to be.